welcome back to another video. We're gonna keep this one toot sweet. I finally got new rear tires. These are FireStone Indy 500 FireHawk. They are a lot of tread compared to what I had, which were absolutely bald. I must say, compared to the Eagles, these have a very square profile, very like stern lip on the side and very like abrupt end, whereas these are a bit more contoured, which I think kind of feathers into the comfortable ride aspect of these tires. I also think that it helps with the road noise. They are very quiet, they are very smooth, they are incredibly good. Grip has been identical. I'm pulling the same G-force, the same amount of launch. I actually think it's grabbing more and it's kind of messing up traction control once in a while. It seems a little bit confused. I am going on my first road trip with them, so I'm interested to see that long term, but they are a great tire. I spent $310 per tire, installed, taxes, everything out the door, Canadian dollars, which is the absolute best price I can get for anywhere. It was unbelievable how long these tires took to get. They are OEM spec. They are no wider, they are no different. Direct fit, which is pretty important. I do actually prefer the look of the tire, even just from the back. They have a pretty sporty look to them. I don't know, I'm a little overly impressed for how much I paid, considering how much the OEMs are worth, how much the Michelins are worth, and all of the competing tires. Everything was a lot more money, and nothing seemed to offer what I wanted for this. Driving it in the rain, they've done fantastic. Ignore the spoilerless rear end if you haven't seen that video yet, and if you have seen it and you didn't let me know. So that's it. New tires, lots of tread, lots of life, lots of miles. We're going to Montreal. It's going to be wild. Kind of wish I had done my front tires too, but we'll see. Still a fair bit of tread, probably 60 to 70% tread left on those. And if I can get some video work in the near future and some extra cash saved up, maybe I'll just go ahead and change the fronts out too for next summer. Till next time, guys, drive safe, take care, behave, as always.
Wayne?
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a Shelby review. I got new tires. Look at them. They go round and around, and that's my favorite part. And they drive on gravel, and they drive on asphalt, and it's really cool. And they're black, so I paid extra for that, because, you know, gotta get the upgrade black tires. And yeah, those are my tire review.